Hi there, YouTube. Just want to do a quick, a quick tutorial video about LeadsLeap and how we can integrate in certain ways to Network Solutions Pro. So basically, LeadsLeap is the system I sort of got involved in. It'll allow you to advertise your businesses, all your businesses in one place. It'll give you a huge amount of traffic. It's a very, very good site. Even free members can use this site to advertise their business. I've decided to upgrade. So this site will allow you to run ads, okay, of different kinds. It'll also allow you to do social reviews about different companies, and all in all, people have used this site for years and have made some good money with it, but also, obviously, more importantly, advertise their businesses with it. But anyway, I've done a review video about this this company. I love it. Anyway, this video is a quick little tip on showing people how to do some nice integration with Network Solutions Pro. Network Solutions Pro is a free marketing system. It's got built-in capture pages, landing pages. And obviously, with a marketing system, anyway, you're going to need traffic generation systems such as LeadsLeap in order to market your businesses. We can put our businesses in here. We can market. We've got done for you capture pages and built-in autoresponder and everything. So why are we going and how are we going to integrate this? There are several ways you can do all kinds of things, but for today, I'm going to look at the obviously, there are things like traffic rotator, there is the ad bar, and we're going to talk about that in another video. But this video, I'm going to talk about the pop-up generator. Okay, now you've all seen them. All right, a pop-up generator will simply allow you to, if you visit a website, any website, and for example, suddenly a pop-up comes up or whatever. It might come up in a different way, such as maybe if you try to exit the website, you suddenly see a kind of what we call an exit pop-up. Okay, it'll pop up and say, "Wait, before you leave, don't go empty-handed. We've got some powerful free tools for you." Whatever. It's a good way to provide some value. If you've got for example, if you've got a paid service or something where you're requiring people to take action and buy something or take massive action to something, but they're about to leave the page because they're not ready for that, you can just do a final kind of pop-up just to say, wait, we've got a free version, or we've got a free offer for you, or don't go empty-handed, here's a download. At least they can opt in or take action on something, and you've got that last chance to grab their attention. So okay, we have a very powerful pop-up generator system that you can build. You can build your own pop-ups. All right, so I'm going to go to the Optin Forms. Right, okay, so you can launch your opt-in. You can create Optin Forms. You can launch your Optin Forms in different ways. And you can add an opt-in form. Now, the opt-in forms will allow you to generate leads. You can add your leads onto a built-in autoresponder system that's built into LeadsLeap. Okay, and you can collect leads, and pro members can even do automated follow-up messages. And I'm planning on doing share codes because this whole system has built-in share codes as well. So you'll be able to get my share code when I'm done with the auto follow-up messages within this system. But anyway, I'll talk about that later. But here we can create pop-ups. Okay. Now I've created a pop-up here, but basically in your case you can add a pop-up, and you can go through and you can choose templates, and there's a full drag and drop editor. But I'm going to launch the pop-up here. Launch the editor. Okay, and it opens up. And you have a very powerful, very easy to use sort of generator that allows you to generate nice looking pop-up forms. Okay, so here it is. You can do all kinds of things. It's completely drag and drop. Okay, as you can see, you can drag it around, line it up. You can edit text as you right in here. You can change text. You can change the font. do bold, change the size, do all kinds of things. Yeah, change the color, do whatever you want to do. And everything is literally drag and drop, you know, but it comes with templates, so you don't have to create everything. This was, you know, an option where I could just put in the video URL and put in the code. Very easy. So you can choose the template, like it's a pop-up light box, or it's a kind of fills the screen, or it's a sidebar pop in or whatever. Different options. Or you can even do not a pop-up, you can do a kind of inline form right there. Anyway, so I've got this form, I'm going to save it. Okay, in your case you would have created the form from scratch, but you've got templates to work with, so it's very, very easy. I'm going to go back here, I'm going to grab the code. Okay, you can select if you've got a WordPress site or if you've got any other website, it'll just work. Now, according to the tutorial here, it actually tells you to put it into the just above the body section technically, so that's where you've got to put it in. But obviously with Network Solutions Pro, you don't have access to the body pages. These are all completely done for you pages. So, but it still works. Now, what you need to do, I'm logged into a demo account because I want you guys to actually see what you know, in your case, you're going to be doing exactly what I'm doing. So you go to my websites, okay. I'm going to choose a capture page, and then what you do is you click edit. So my advice is don't play around with too many of these controls, but I've actually got the code in here already, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. So that this is the same code, and that's where you put the code. Okay, so in your case you won't see anything, you'll just see a blank box, and okay, this is the header section. Okay, so you just paste the code in there and you click save. Okay, and then you can just preview the page. So the page loads up. The members will obviously recognize this page anyway. It's just a page. There's no pop-up windows for your pages, but now there is. So if you try to exit the page, look where my mouse is right now. I'm going to exit the page. There you go. There's the pop-up window. It just pops right up. Okay, you obviously you had the option to change everything. You can, you know, it just gives you a last chance before someone leaves to grab their attention. You know, to give them something before they leave, so they don't go empty-handed. And hopefully you at least get their email, their name and email address, and added to your mailing list. I find that these kind of little, what we call lead magnets, you know, they grab people's attentions. They get a lead. That's all you're asking for. You're not asking for a sign up. You're not asking for a sale. You just want that lead. So, you know, down the road you're going to be able to promote to your leads list. Okay, it's all, you know, it's all in the list. Okay, so you want to be able to have little features like this on your pages, and this is just a great thing. I wanted to do this because I know it sounds technical, and I know some people will probably look at this video and think this is only for advanced users. Quite the reverse. It's not, guys. We are marketers. All right, step up your game, and you know, take advantage of these little tips and tricks. Use them. Okay, I'm not asking you to build a full-blown funnel from scratch. I'm just giving you some little widgets here, little tips and tricks. You can. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Obviously, I'm a pro member of LeadsLeap, but I'm pretty sure even free members have access to this Popup Generator as well, and you can collect leads. So take advantage of these free tools. Okay, they really help to generate leads. People are always asking me, "It's all right for you." You know, people think that I was born an expert marketer. Okay, I was a newbie myself. Not so long ago, and I just taught myself these little things because I want to be able to, you know, I'm curious about how to scale up my business. These are just little tips. They're just copy and paste. You're not asking you to learn HTML. We're not asking you to learn JavaScript. We're just simply giving you a few little widgets that you can put into your existing done for you systems, and it makes it work the way you want it. Okay, do some technical stuff. Why not? Get your hands dirty, get your feet wet. So anyway, I hope you found this video useful. Give it a shot. Why not? Give it a go. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next training. Bye for now.